I bought and tested two of Amazon's most popular vacuum travel bags. These things work really great. You can't go wrong with either one of these. I'm putting them head to head. I have 4 pairs of shorts in this side, 4 pairs of shorts in this side. I'm going to show you exactly how they shrink down, the different sizes you get. I'll give you an overview of each one and then show you how each one stacks up to each other at the very end. So let's go over this one first. This is going to be your Nicetree storage bag. So these are what the storage bags look like right over here. Really nice material. You're gonna get, you have a 28-inch one. This is great for blankets, pillows, stuff like that. You have your 24-inch one. This is gonna be great for travel, putting shorts. That's what we're gonna put the shorts in for this one. And you also get this 21 right over here. Really nice quality material on these. You'll see you have the ruler and everything, so you could need to know. There's a maxed fill line here, and you're gonna get this pump right over here. So you get this pump, very nice, compact. It comes with this charger as well. We have plenty of USB chargers, so we don't use it. Comes in this nice box. And then you're gonna get these clips right over here. This is gonna help us seal the bag to make sure it's nice and tight. And then everything, all the other bags are in here. You're gonna get 18. So you get 6, 6, and 6 over there. So let's get this. Let's do the BAGSMART real quick, and then we'll do that. So the BAGSMART ones right over here, these are color coded. You're gonna get the same sizes on this. You have a 20, you have a 24, and then a 28 right over here. And you're gonna get the 6 of each of these. They also come with a garment bag, a shoe bag, and like a toiletry bag right over here. We haven't really used those. But that's kind of that. This is the pump on this one right over here. A little bigger. We'll go over the comparisons later. And of course, we got our clips right over here. So for this, we're going to use the 24-inch bags to kind of get this going right over here. So let's get these set up. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to take the shorts out just like this. You kind of see, actually, let me show you. This is kind of what they look like in there. So pretty kind of full over here on that side. So let's get these out. I'm just gonna put them in flat. Or I'm gonna put them in just like this actually. Exactly kind of how they're packed. And we'll see how much they shrink down. Now for these, you just wanna get this open up just like that. And then what we're gonna do for this, we're literally just gonna take these and we're just gonna close it up with our fingers. And then we're gonna finish up with the actual clips so we can get that going. We're gonna go the nice ones right here. So this is the 24-inch bag. So major difference between these right over here is kind of how they open. So you'll see this one opens from the top. They're kind of like designed differently, like dimension wise. So that's something to note. These are both 24-inch bags. So just kind of note that. And then we're gonna dump these guys. Sometimes it helps to kind of get that. I know we're trying to take air out, but to just get it started quicker, I've learned that. So what we're gonna do right over here, we're gonna just close this. Same thing. I do like both of these bags. I do like that they have the dimensions on this one. I kind of like that the pump is smaller, but we'll get into all that in just a second. All right. So this is how these little clips work right over here. They're really easy to use and operate. So we're just going to take one of these clips right over here. We're just going to take this piece right over there, put it on right like that. And then when you're just going to hear that stuff click right over there. I should have like let some air out of this bag, but that's all right. Same with this one over here. We're just going to use this clip. And you're just going to shut that like that. All right. In terms now, we're just going to take these pieces off right over here. These pieces off right over here. All right. And then we're just going to put it on right over here. So we're just going to hit that like that. And we're going to see this is going to compress down. So I'm going to kind of just like leave this here. If you want it to go quicker, it's easier to push down on these so it compresses more. Just going to leave that on there. And then this one over here, we're going to get going. They do compress very quickly. This one is pretty much done. All right, this one is compressed as well. I would say the Nicetree ones compressed a little bit more and a little quicker. So just note that. And then in terms of putting it back in the suitcase, we're just gonna, you should put the cap back on these. You don't have to worry about dust or anything getting in there at all. So we'll just put that like that. And then you'll see right over here, the suitcase was almost full. Now we could get maybe 3 of each of these. So we got like 3x our storage here. Now for some quick, let's go head to head with these two. So I think the Nicetree one, you can't go wrong with either one of these. The Nicetree one, the charger is a little bit more powerful and it is more compact. This is what they look like head to head right over here compared to the BAGSMART. With the Nicetree, you also get the charger. So it does come with a nice little charger, so you don't have to worry about that. This one does not come with a charger. We have a charger, so it doesn't even matter. So just note that on these two. The BAGSMART ones are gonna come, if you care, these other things right over here. These do come in different sizes as well and different packs. So if you were interested, if you like the way the Nicetree work, but you want different sizes, they do have different sizes for you. Can't go wrong with either one of these. The Nicetree ones are it's definitely compresses faster, and I think it did a better job compressing. This worked really well as too, but I would say the Nicetree one compressed more and got it down. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, give this a thumbs up, and I hope you find the right vacuum storage bag for you.